Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are checking out this channel for the very first time and you're interested in becoming a model, you definitely want to check out the content on this channel. Consider subscribing because I make some of the best videos that you guys are going to see in the modeling industry. So in today's video, I want to talk about dealing with rejection in the modeling industry. So I've actually had a lot of you guys reach out to me in my DMs. I've received a few comments on my videos, and I've seen a lot of questions about how do I deal with rejection, right? And why am I constantly rejected? Why wasn't I accepted by a particular agency? Why didn't I get casted for a particular show? So in this video, I'm going to give you guys some guidance on how you can think about rejection and how to better manage your expectations in the modeling industry. All right guys, so rejection is something that every model is going to face at some point in their career. It's part of the job. It's unrealistic to think you're going to get every booking, you're going to get casted or represented to every agency that you submit to. That's not going to happen, right? When you think about some of the top supermodels, a lot of the top supermodels were actually rejected numerous times, but it's their drive to keep going and to then quickly bounce off their feet before landing a job. For instance, supermodel Giselle, she was rejected 42 times before finally getting casted to Alexander McQueen's fashion show in 1992. All right guys, so when it comes to rejection, right, let's just say you're going for a casting call for a show, right? Chances are the casting directors have already seen your images. Your job when you show up to the casting is not to book the job. Your job is to be the best representation of yourself, be the best representation of the image that the casting director may have already seen. And also your job as a model is to make it difficult for the casting directors to make a decision, right? So have a fierce walk, go in there super prepared, look like your images, be in the best shape, be confident, show your great personality. These are things that you guys can do to really make it a tough choice for the casting directors. Once you walk out of that casting room, your job is done. And now it's on the casting directors to book the best models for the campaign, for the show, whatever it is. It's their job. You've done your part, and that's how you're gonna think about it. Another thing that you guys need to keep in mind is that rejections are never personal. Take the rejection. If possible, get feedback, but don't push the feedback. If they provide feedback, listen to the feedback. If they tell you that your walk was a little off, or they didn't like how you pose, or you're not photographing well, or maybe your images don't match, listen to those feedback and take them and work with it. The best models are able to take that feedback and come back stronger than ever. So again, think about the story I just told you guys with Giselle, how she was rejected 42 times before finally getting casted. Keep that mindset, right? And if you get rejected by an agency, it's okay to reach out and ask for feedback and see if they have maybe some recommendations for you in terms of what other agencies might be best suited for you. But again, don't push it. You don't want to come across as desperate, so keep this in mind. So yeah guys, so these are some tips on how you guys can think about rejection and how to better manage your expectations. If you like this video, if you learned anything new, I appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to sub. I'll see you guys in my next one.